Although I arrived the city at night, I also needed to go back the next morning. But one thing that was on my mind was how I could get a quick drone shot of the city before leaving. Luckily for me, I did. Here is a quick drone shot of Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. Nigeria has 31 states and every state has its own nickname. For Anambra State, it is called the Light of the Nation. Anambra is located at the southeastern part of Nigeria that is predominantly occupied by the Igbos. Awka is the capital city of Anambra State. In Nigeria, a capital city does not necessarily mean the most developed, it's just an administrative headquarters of the state. Before the Nigerian Civil War in 1960, Awka used to be the traditional home of the Igbo blacksmith, producing shotguns, bombs, gongs, pots, and metalwares of all kinds. However, the present day of Awka is not known for this profession. Most people who live in Awka are either civil servants or involved in other kinds of businesses.
Awka is just about 1 hour drive from Onitsha, another metropolitan city in Anambra State. Onitsha is one of the economic hubs for commerce and industry in Nigeria.
Awka is also a host to one of Nigerian popular university, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, popularly known as UNIZIK. If you finish from UNIZIK and you're watching this video, please represent by typing UNIZIK.
One of the things I really notice about Awka and in Anambra in general is that you find a lot of story buildings in this city.
Like in any community, Awka have lots of illustrious sons and daughters that have distinguished themselves in various fields. But in the field of visual art, one of the names that really stand out is Chinwe Chukwuogore. You can Google that name to find out her achievement if you want to know more about her.
That's it on this video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Enjoy this community, and you can watch other videos that I've done about Awka. This is just a one-day trip I did, so I didn't have enough time to cover a lot of places, but I've done videos about the drive-thru in Awka. Check them up, I'll link them up so you can get to see and watch as well. Please watch, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for being a part of this community. And I'll see you guys next one.